Hello dear students, good morning all of you. Once again, I warm welcome all of you in this wonderful session. Myself Nityanand Mishra. In this video session, I am going to discuss about the numerical problem of physics of class 10th. In first chapter, class 10th, we have studied about the electricity, Ohm's law, resistor, resistivity and combination of resistors and power of electrical appliances or electric circuit. So, in this video session, we will discuss the numerical problem about the power of electric circuits and electric appliances. All of you know that the power P is equals to V by VI. P is equals to VI. In our previous videos, we have discussed about the theory of first chapter, electricity. If you are interested to see the videos, the link are also given in the description box. So we start today. An electric heater of resistance 8 ohm draws 50 ampere from the service main for 2 hours. Calculate the rate at which heat is developed. We start here solution. So here electric current is given. Electric current I is equals to 15 ampere and resistance of circuit is given. Circuit means heater. यहाँ पे heater है. Resistance of heater is given 8 ohm. तो heat हमें find करनी. Heat developed H is equals to I square R. The value of this and R is 8. 2 to 5, 8, 0, 0 and when you multiply this, then it comes 1800 joules. And in next problem, which uses more energy, 250 watt TV set in 1 hour and or a 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes. For solution for TV set. For TV set, power is equals to 250 watt and time is 1 hour. So energy used is equals to PT. P is in watt and time is in hour. 250 watt hour. Here one thing is important. When you find the when you find the energy consumed by energy used by the both appliances, then you put the energy in a same unit. For toaster, power is equal to 1200 watt and time is 10 minutes. 10 minutes. First you convert this 10 minute into hour. That's when you divided by the 60. It comes 1 by 6 hour. Then energy is equals to PT. Energy used is equals to PT. The value of E is P is 1200 and T is 1 by 6, 200 watt hour. Which use more energy? TV set TV set uses more energy. In this question, TV set used more energy. Now we are moving towards the third numerical problem. Two lamps, one rated P is equal to 100 watt and T is equal to volt is 220 watt. One rated 60 watt, P2 is 60 watt and V2 is 220 watt, are connected to the parallel. Both lamps are connected to the parallel to electric mains supply. Mains supply is 220 volt. Then find the total electric current. Here you can easily find the current used, current supply in a first lamp and current supply in a second lamp. So current supply in first lamp I1 is equals to P upon P1 by B. Here this V is not used, this V is used because appliances जितनी सप्लाई पे वर्क करते हैं वो ऐड होता है. So I1 is equals to this. I1 is equal to P1 is 100 upon 220. इसको हम एम्पियर में राइट कर देंगे. For next, current supply in second lamp I2 is P2 by V, that is I2 is equals to 60 upon 220 ampere. Total current I is equals to I1 plus I2, 100 upon 220 and 60 upon 220. When you add this, 160 upon 220. When you multiply it by 2, divide by this by 2, then 8 by 11, that is equals to 0.727 ampere. Here this is the value of total current drawn in the circuit, and current supply is divided in two parts because both lamps are connected in parallel. All of you know, when resistances are connected in parallel, then current supply is divided. When resistances are combined in series, then potential difference is divided, then current is not divided. So here we complete 3 numerical problems related to the power of electric appliances. I hope all of you get this video very clearly. What you feel, what you understand about this numerical problem, please tell me in comment box. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.